Uyu ni thukuru wa Aguso gicigo-ini kia mbunge kia Nyatike kaunti-ini ya Migori uria ni umwe wa thukuru iria ciagomeirwo ni mbura nene.
We realized that the challenges which came from water, like our road leading to school is washed away, and immediately the school opened, we realized that many of our learners, when they do come to school, there are some still places they are supposed to wade through the waters, and that one makes them to take off their shoes. You realize that one exposed them to more diseases like bilharzia. Now we are asking the government if they can come with the solutions, especially the road.
Riu ciana ici cia thukuru uyu niigite na ihinda irito o riri ciracokereria thukuru, undu uria utumite namba ya ciana iria ciracokereria thukuru kunyiha muno makiria.
That it is high time we created some official settlement area in a raised land for this region, so that these schools possibly can be moved away, the families can be moved away permanently, and this area can be developed into some sort of agricultural scheme.
Ni mbura ni athukirie daraca na ngina gutuika no riu ciana ici cikaga gwa kugerera, undu uria iraruta ngina irato niguo gutoboka mai-ini cikiringa mukira uria ungi. No mathina matiguthiragira hau matira, kuona ati marikia gukinya thukuru naguo rwagiuka magumira, undu uria waya kugumira ngina mathomo mao. Na kuona Ikuru, Kakamega na Nandi, aciari guku no mathigi moete na iguru. Makienda arimu anene mehere thukuru-ini ici kumana na maumirira moru maria merigite kuonwo mwaka-ini muhetuku wa 2019.
Tunakuwa na taabu, tunahangaika kutafuta school fees, tunalipa, tunakosa mahitaji za nyumbani ili tuwalipie watoto wetu karo, alafu unakuta mtoto anarudi na D, anarudi na E. Je, kama wewe mzazi unakuwa na raha gani?
Uyu ni thutha wa thukuru wa Marera kuria aciari marurunganite makioya mathigi na iguru na gucoka kurumirirwo ni thukuru wa muthingi na wa secondary wa Lukongo.
Na raha gani?
Na kutirita Gori na Ikuru, aciari aku nao matinatigwo na thutha, ni amu thukuru uyu niwekire oru kigeranio-ini gia KCPE.
Tuko na hasira sana kwa vile watoto wetu ambaye wanasoma hapa shule ambaye walikuwa wanafanya mtihani ya last year walianguka mtihani.
Walimu hawafunzi tena, headmaster wamesoeana na watoto. Ukiambia mtoto iko hivi, tunaenda kuambia headmaster, wanasema enda ambia. Sasa hawana discipline, na kuna discipline kwa hii shule kabisa.
Kure muruto wa mbere ari na maxi 242 handu-ini ha Gikuyu TV na mohoro mukoiku ria kwa ni Joe Kariuki wa Wangui.